This saline flush syringe is used to keep 4 catheters from getting blocked and to clear any leftover medication at the catheter site. It is important for maintaining the effectiveness of 4 catheters and ensuring proper medication delivery. When using the normal saline flush syringe, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions for injection into the 4 catheter. If you are using this product at home, make sure to learn all preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Before using, always check the product visually for any particles or discoloration. If you notice either of these, do not use the liquid. It's also important to learn how to store and discard medical supplies safely. Using this medication regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, try using it at the same times each day. Keep an eye out for any signs of infection near the catheter site, such as tenderness, pain, swelling, redness, or warmth, and be sure to inform your doctor if you experience any of these symptoms. If you experience mild irritation at the injection site, you should inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and if you are in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using the normal saline flush syringe, make sure to inform your healthcare provider about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Also, discuss your medical history and inform your doctor about all the medications and herbal products you are currently using. It is safe to use this medication during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Always consult with your healthcare provider before using any medication. When using the normal saline flush syringe, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will ensure that you are using the normal saline flush syringe safely and effectively. If you suspect someone has overdosed on normal saline flush syringe and they are experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. This medication is for use only in the nose. Do not use it in the eyes or mouth. If this medication gets in your eyes, rinse the eyes with water and seek medical attention if irritation persists. If this medication gets in your mouth, rinse your mouth with water. If you miss a dose of this medication, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately to get a new dosing schedule. It's important to take each dose as scheduled to ensure its effectiveness. It's important to store the normal saline flush syringe at room temperature and avoid freezing it. Make sure to keep it away from the bathroom, as well as out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company on the proper way to discard this product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.